Hello, my name is Jen Miller. I graduated from the University of Portland with a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering in 2003. In 2005, I graduated from Duke University with a master's degree in computer engineering. I've been working full-time in the high-tech industry since 2005, and I've spent most of my career working for Intel. Intel is a large company that delivers computing platforms for many different segments. Some of those segments include smartphones, tablets, notebooks, desktops, and servers. Many people think of Intel as being a microprocessor company, and that's absolutely true, but we also deliver a lot of other platform components like chipsets and SSDs. And one of the things that makes Intel very unique is that we also own our manufacturing process and we fabricate our own products. Given Intel's size and scope, we actually employ many different types of engineers, including electrical, computer, mechanical, software engineers, etc. I personally work in the data center group at Intel, and my group is responsible for delivering server products. A server is just a computer that's dedicated to running services that can be utilized by other computers on a network. So, for example, unless University of Portland is utilizing a public cloud, they probably have a data center somewhere on campus that contains servers for hosting things like your email and the university website. My specific job is in competitive marketing, and my team is responsible for delivering content, training, and tools to help our field sales teams win business. To accomplish that objective, we have to be experts not just on the architecture, performance, and energy efficiency of Intel's products, but we also have to be experts on our competitors' products. In a typical day, I could do a lot of different things, but I may spend time driving performance analysis on a product that's going to be launching next year. I may spend time supporting questions from field sales about how to position a product in order to win a deal. I might be developing training material to educate people on the expected performance impact of a new product feature. I may be meeting with customers to help them optimize their energy efficiency on their Intel-based platforms, or I could even be updating Intel.com to display some of our new performance world records. So it's a pretty diverse job. There are actually a lot of things I love about the job. First and foremost, I love working for Intel because I'm surrounded by so many smart people who educate me and challenge me every single day. I also like the fact that the high-tech industry is an ecosystem that's just constantly changing. The platforms that we're using for computing today probably aren't going to be the platforms that we're using a year or two from now, and I think that's very exciting. I also love being able to utilize my technical background in my job, but not have to be in a lab all the time like I've been in the past sometimes. It's just really exciting being able to collaborate with customers and seeing how the products that Intel is delivering is enabling new products and applications from our partners. I love the constant challenge of having to intelligently position Intel's platforms across different geographies where the customer needs may be very different. I've actually had 4 different jobs since entering the workforce full-time. My first job was as a reliability engineer, and in that job it was my role to design tests that systematically stress microprocessor circuits with the goal of exacerbating latent reliability defects. So, in other words, we screen any defects that might exist before the parts actually get shipped out into the field. After that, I worked as a field applications engineer for a little while. And that's actually a technical sales role. And the role of the FAE, or the field applications engineer, is to help customers with the integration of components that we sell into their products. So at Intel, there might be a field applications engineer who would help a customer who designs a computing platform integrate our processors into their platform. After that, I spent 2 years working as a product development engineer. And in that job, it was my role to write RTL level tests that validate circuit functionality. So, to review, I've worked in quality and reliability, sales, design, and now I'm in marketing. The variety of jobs that I've had should just demonstrate what a diverse field electrical engineering really is and how many different things you can do with a degree in electrical engineering. When I look at the cross-section of my friends who have a double E degree, they do so many different things. I know double E's who are developing satellites for NASA, writing patents for law firms, doing power and lighting design for commercial buildings, and even growing gallium nitride substrates for LED manufacturing. So it's an extremely diverse field, and that's what I love about it so much. My advice to you guys is pretty simple. Regardless of what you decide to do, make it your goal to do it better than anyone else has ever done it before. Our role as engineers is to create solutions that make the world a better place. And if you're not challenging yourself every day, you can't do a good job of that. So, get out there and do your best, and I know you'll all have a very fun and rewarding career in whatever discipline you choose. Good luck.